So following on from our previous video, I'm now going to give you some examples because in the previous video it just gave you a general idea of what's going on. It wasn't very clear. So let's give you another example here. So it takes 3 people 1 day to dig 15 meters. The question is how long will it take 5 people to 5 people here to dig 100 meters? Yeah, how long will it take 5 people to dig 100 meters? Okay. Well, so here, imagine this as well. If 3 people if 3 people can dig 15 meters in 1 day, then you can actually cut this up so that one person can do 5 meters. So one person can do 5 meters. You can think of it like that. So hang on, let's try and do this. So at the moment, 3 people can dig 15 meters in 1 day. I'm just making up this symbol, okay? So here, so at the moment, it looks like this. Now, if your aim is to get it so that, well, the question is saying, how long will it take for 5 people to dig 100 meters, and then, well, how long is meaning that we want to find out the time. So X here represents our time. We want to find out the time. So this is people here. People. This here is meters, distance. Okay, distance. So here at the moment, we've got 3 people can dig a distance of 15 meters in 1 day. So this here is time. Well, our question is, how long will it take 5 people to dig 100 meters? Well, how long? Meaning we want to find out the time. So now, so this is our current situation here. I normally like to break down to one person. So get this to be a 1, because our aim is to get it to 100x. So hang on. So we started with 15 meters. So let's get to one person. For some reason, I like to get to one person. So now, if 3 people if 3 people can dig 15 meters in 1 day, then you can reason that one person would be able to dig 5 meters in 1 day. And your aim here is to get it. So it's 5, 100, and then you will be able to figure out the x. Now, if one person can dig 5 meters in 1 day, well, let's times this by 5. Well, if one person can dig 5 meters, well, 5 people can dig 25 meters in 1 day. Okay, in 1 day. So this bit here, you got to use reasoning here. Okay, so from here you can reason that, well, 5 people can dig 25 meters in 1 day. Okay, so now can you see it's getting close to here. Hang on, 5. We've got a 5 here. Our aim to get to 100. Now, remember, our aim is to get this to 100 now. Now, if 5 people can dig 25 meters in 1 day, well, in 2 days, 5 people can dig 50 meters. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So again, we are using reason. You got to use reasoning here to get from here to here. Okay. Well, you can get, well, in 2 days this. Well, how? Well, if you have 3 days, so let's go back to here now. Let's say you're here. Okay. If you so currently 5 people, 25 meters in 1 day. Let's say if you have 3 days, then this will be, you're going to times that by 3. So so here again it's reasoning here. Times that by 3, so that will be 75 meters. 5 people can do it in 75. Sorry, 5 people can dig 75 meters in 3 days. Well, let's go back to here. Okay, let's go back to here now. Well, if you have 4 days, okay, 4 days. If you have 4 days, then, well, with 5 people, then you're going to be able, well, you're going to get to, well, you can dig 100 meters. So here, this is our target here. Remember that our original question was, 5 people wanting to dig 100 meters. How long? So 5 people can dig 100 meters in 4 days. So the answer is 4 days. So you start with your ratio here, and jump to one person. I find it really useful. You don't always have to do that. You could reason, or let's say you're here. Let's say you're here. You could reason that, at the moment you've got, hang on, let me clear this. Hang on. No, I'm going to keep it. At the moment you've got 3 people being able to dig 15 meters in 1 day. You don't always have to take it to one person. You could say, you could reason, in 2 days, 3 people can dig, should be able to dig 30 meters. So you can actually increase the time. You can actually increase the time. You just got to use reasoning. So start with this and somehow get to 5, 100, and then from that you can work out the x. Okay. In the next video, I will give you some more examples. Okay.